What is Smart Rapper Gang? Rob Level here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about, well, if a hater ever says this sentence to you or anything even like this sentence, you got a good song. Because even the hater couldn't deny it, even while they were trying to diss you. It's beautiful.
Sensational.
So this happened to me in really quick video, okay? Absolutely beautiful. Guy hates on all my music. You know, you get the super haters, but they really love you because they're on everything that you post, and I don't block them because I'm like, this is funny. Like, yo, like, come on, come and see what I'm doing. If I block you, you can't see me winning. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I let them hate, and it's so funny. What happened is I see this comment on the video. Usually it's really like tearing everything apart and trying to like be negative. And then he goes, good job getting a ghostwriter for this one.
Lord Jesus.
That, like, if somebody says you got a ghostwriter and they're hating on you,
That's a bad mother.
all they're saying is, well, you couldn't possibly made this. I think that's hysterical. Because I've seen people say it in the past as well, because every one of my songs sounds so different and I produce differently on songs, and like I'm really creative on songs and tones, and some are singing that flows, melodies, like everything is just different. So one sounds different from the next one to the next one, and then, like, you know what I'm saying? It's just, I just love it. It made me smile. So I was like, this is so funny. I'm making a video about this. Anyway, so if anybody ever says to you, you got a ghostwriter, if they ever say that to you, that's like the best possible hater compliment that could exist. That was freaking made me feel amazing. Okay, especially after all the hating he had previously done, and then he continued to hate on other stuff, by the way. So like, it's just, I love it. Just wanted to share that with you, and I hope people say that to you one day. All right, that's it. That's the whole video. All right, I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Keep hustling, underdog, and I'll see you at the top.
Did I get my money straight? Fill my grammar plate. Am I underpaid, deserving more breaks? Guilty. Did I break it up? Cut and case the cuffs. Am I better now, or because you in the dust? Guilty. Do I got a lot of regrets? Traded for the checks. Am I super stressed, thinking what's next? Guilty. Did I hit the lot, hit the mall, hit the shop, burn every single thing that I got? Guilty. Filthy, filthy.